Good morning, everyone. This is my dog Gigi, and just wanted to introduce you guys. This is my little cute little girl. She just had a haircut yesterday, and she's my best buddy. Aren't she? She's my best friend. Anyway, she's closer to me, and she loves her mama. But thank you for coming over, guys, to my YouTube channel. Just want to showcase my dog to you guys. She is a Shih Tzu, and we're gonna make some videos today, aren't we, little dog? Yes, we are. Guys, stay with your positive attitude, and let's go and let's do this, okay? Bye.